In this video, I will be disassembling this Nissan Altima Xenon headlight. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the front bezel is plastic welded to the lens and cannot be easily removed and replaced. In order to remove the top mounting clips, I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers and squeeze each of the mounts on the tabs on either side. With the top mounts disconnected, I'm going to go to the rear of the light and loosen the headlight adjusting bolt. On the rear of the light, I'm going to turn this 5/16 bolt to the left until the projector mount comes off. The projector bracket is now free. The housing is now empty. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding the projector to the bracket. The projector bracket is now empty. The projector is held together using 3 Phillips head screws. There's 1 on top and 2 on the bottom. Here are the components from the projector. This is a common occurrence with xenon bulbs and projectors. The xenon bulbs are really hot and cause the chrome to fade and burn away over time. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.